Okay, let's learn about division. So the first step is to look at the first one and the first one. Okay, so I'll do it here in the rough section. I'll write x, the first one, and then I'll write multiply, and then there's a question mark which we have to figure it out, and then 2x cubed. So what will come in the question mark? X into how much is 2x cubed. So since there's no number here, we need 2, and then x into 2 do like that. X into 2 will do 2, and then 1x is here. How many x do we need more? 2 to 2x squared. So whatever number should be here is written here, 2x squared. Got it? Now once you write this 2x squared, you'll take the 2x squared and then multiply everything that's here. So x plus 1. So let's open the bracket. I'll multiply this with this and this with this too. 2x cubed plus 2x squared into 1, 2x squared. So 2x cubed plus 2x squared. I'll write it. Whatever answer I get here, I'll write it here. Remember, this and this will always come out equal. Okay, if it's not coming out equal, something is wrong with your answer. Now after you do this, what you're going to do is you're going to reverse all the signs. So if this is plus, it will become minus. If this was minus, it would have become plus. So if this is plus, this will become minus. Okay, and if there's no sign, it means it's plus, so it'll become minus only. And once you've done this, this and this will get cancelled out because it's exactly the same, only the sign is different. Now x square is left. X square, this sign doesn't exist anymore. Okay, the sign nai. Just think that this sign is not anymore. So it's like plus x square minus 2x square. It's like x square plus x square minus 2x square. Plus, so same as that. So what is x square minus 2x square? It would be x square. It's like 1 minus 2 because x square and x square is same, nah? So 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 1, right? But x square still remains, so minus 1 x square. So these two, when you add subtract, you'll get minus 1 x square. The remaining which is not used will come down. Got it? If you don't understand, just listen. I'll do more examples so that you'll be able to catch up. Okay, now you're gonna take the first one again, exact same step. Let me repeat the step what we did in the first step. Okay, first I took the first one and the first one, and I figured out what should be multiplied to x so as to get 2x cubed. And I figured out it was 2x squared. So I wrote 2x squared on top. Now this 2x squared multiplies whatever it's here. So 2x squared multiplies both. Whatever we get the answer of the multiplication, we write it here. Once all this is rough section, okay? All this rough section. This is to make you, make it easier for you. You can do all of this in your head also if you want. Okay, if you can do it in your head, it's better. Okay, so after multiplying, you write it here. After writing this, all the signs, negatives will become positive, positive will become negative, plus minus 1, minus plus 0. After that, you're gonna add, subtract whatever you can. So these two, you cut it off because it's same, and then these two you can subtract. So you subtract, and you're getting minus 1x squared, and then the remaining comes down. So what was the first step? I take the first one, and see what should be multiplied here so as to get this. So the first step will repeat it again. Okay, so I'll take the first one, see what should be multiplied to this in order to get this. what should be multiplied to x in order to get minus 1x squared. So there's no number here, so minus 1 should be multiplied obviously, and 1x is here, so we need one more x, so minus 1x. So minus 1x should be multiplied to x so as to get minus 1x squared. It's quite easy. Sorry. Nagamis, it sounds easier, okay? I don't know, for me. X load key multiply with minus 1x square ijo. X load key multiply with minus 1x square. Obviously minus 1x, right? X into x becomes x squared, so minus 1x. There's minus here also. So the next step is what? You take whatever it is that you have to multiply with x, whatever you wrote it here, you take that and then you multiply both. X plus 1. So minus x into x minus x squared. 1 into anything is 1 of the same thing. Minus x into plus 1 minus 1x. So whatever you get here, you're going to write it here, minus x squared, and then this one minus x. After that, the signs will become opposite. Signs will become opposite. These two get cancelled out because plus, minus and plus will get cancelled out. Now what is left here? It's minus 2x. This became plus. It's no more minus, okay? It's plus. So minus 2 plus 1 is what? Minus 1. Got it? The same thing what we did here, we'll repeat it here. And the same thing what we repeated here also, we'll repeat it here only. So first take this one, see what should be multiplied here. So let's do it here now. X we take into what will be minus 1x. So x is here, only minus 1 is missing. So here minus 1. So you take minus 1 and then multiply x plus 1. So since minus 1 into x is minus x and minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, here will come minus 1x minus 1. Sign will become opposite, sign will become opposite. These two minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. So that's it. So that is how you divide. It's a little lengthy. And I'm starting from the way basic, so that's why. Now let's try with this one. Okay. X into what is x cubed. Can we try to do it mentally? Okay, let's try doing it mentally. Okay, x into what is x cubed. X square. We have to see the first one and first one, right? X into what is x cubed? X square. We need x square. So now x square multiplies both. So x square into x will be x cubed. X square into minus 3 will be minus 3x square. And then signs ulta. This gets cancelled. Now this is addition, okay? The subtraction is no more. So minus 4 plus 3 is minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1x square because 4 is larger. The rest of the numbers just comes down. Now look at the first one and the first one. The first one and the first one. X into what is minus 1x square. So minus, we need minus because it's positive, this minus. So we need minus, so positive into minus. And then x into what is x square? X. So minus x multiplies both. Minus x into x is minus x square. Minus x into minus 3. Minus into minus plus 3x. Signs ulta. These two gets cancelled. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2x plus 6 will come down. Now we'll look at the first one and the first one. So x into what is minus 2x? We need minus 2. X is already here and here, so we don't have to add x. So minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 3. Minus into minus becomes plus. 3 2s are 6. This will become minus, this will become plus. These two gets cancelled, these two gets cancelled, and that is the answer. I'll give you some assignments, I guess, to do so that you can practice division.